to.
Sorry, I didn't even.
No, I don't even think there's a bathroom, but you can just piss right here, I guess.
There is. You know what that building is?
It's probably closed. It's probably closed for the COVID. You can check. All right, here we are. We are stopped at. This is Beacon Rock. It's a beautiful place. Going to Beacon Rock and hiking up that thing is awesome. There's a staircase on the other side that zigzags and goes all the way up, and it's pretty damn cool, I've got to say. Highly recommended. I've actually never gone this way, but this is the way down to the rock wall, and a lot of rock climbers go and climb it. But it looks like we have some dog food over here. This is curious. I wonder exactly what's going on here. Is this put out for the squirrels or what? That's a lot of dog food. Anyhow, we're heading down to our camping spot. It's already getting cold, so I'm hoping we can stay warm while we're out there. We've got the school bus, of course. Always got the school bus. Gotta love it.
Fell into the sea. I woke up on an island left by others, built upon the hearts and minds of those who came before us, built upon the efforts of our sisters and our brothers. Breathe in deep. You don't have to remain asleep. Breathe in deep. Breathe in deep. I fell into the sea.
Well, ain't too bad.
That's better than another one.
Yeah. Yeah. Some firewood, a little bit.
Oh, it's because someone drained it.
Yeah, crazy. Well, it's either this one or one that's not next to the river. Do you prefer to be next to the river?
I don't mind being next to the river.
Well, we'll be next to it. It would be up slightly higher, but it would probably be quite a bit warmer, but it would be more like it. Well, I'll just drive up and see what's up there real quick. Burr. All right, I'm here with Tim, and we're at our spot. Chili spot. Huh. Got a fire pit? Is that a turkey? Oh my God. Come on. Really?
Yeah, really.
A whole turkey?
Does it look like it's actually stuff? It's the other stuff?
That's a turkey.
Here's their ship can.
There's always going to be one. Fungus among us. Huh. Oh yeah, that thing's been there for a while, I think. That looks like one that was there before. Well, all right. Get some of this shit out here. We got to the campsite this summer that was so full of stuff that the ranger didn't even want to tell us it was there. He's just like, yeah, people treat it like shit. We got there and there was just piles and piles of just garbage. We filled like 2.5, I think it was 2.5 contractor bags full of stuff.
Holy shit.
Just to be able to stay there. And it was like on the very edge of the Rainier National Park, like on the east side. It was really fucked up. It was like, and long ago, the demons of the past were there long ago. Oh, arr. And the firewood they had was aplenty, and they carried it with a beer bottle. Arr. There we go. Yeah. Damn, that's fast today. All right, here we go. We're gonna start a fire. We are gonna start a fire. But first, we do have to find the axe. It might be back here. Should have brought that thing, I guess. There we go. Chicken, chicken. Chicken, chicken. Cooking chicken. And cooking chicken. I'm pretty excited to have some food. Got some potatoes and some chicken. Potatoes from Tim and chicken from my wife. Tim's down there. He's trying to get some hands washed. We've got our potatoes over here. God damn, they're good. Okay, I'm gonna grab another. And some chicken. And then we've got our fire over here. It looks beautiful. Nice work, Tim. Cheers to that, huh? Clean off the lens here. It's all cloudy. There we go. Perfect. Wonderful, beautiful fire. Beautiful fire.
Yeah,
And a rainy night.
Finally got the damn fire going.
It was perfect. It was perfect for the 5 minutes we had it. Excellent. Okay, now it's the next morning. Everything's a mess, and this is what we wake up to. Beautiful sunny day. Yes, it's gorgeous out here. What are you talking about? Swamps and ponds? No, not a chance. It's great dandy fun. Woohoo! Dun 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 dun. All right, morning coffee. Morning coffee. All right, here we go. Get the matches. Dun, 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 dun. We can get this thing going. Come on, you can do it. There we go, we got it. All right. All right. There's dinner. Whoops. What's left of dinner? Anyone?
Is there a secret to making this thing close up more, or is this it?
It's probably fucked up right now. It's alright, just get it in there, it'll be alright. Cheers to the river.
Purpose Channel.
Thanks for coming to Purpose Channel, yo.